10,000 feet. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Okay. So, good morning from Terminal 4. Today, again, I'm flying with Iberia and again to London. It's gonna be the A330 to London Heathrow. So, let's go. Last time, I had a bit of a problem here at the fast track. I had my camera, wasn't recording anything, but the guy tried to ask me to put it down, but he couldn't speak any English. I actually made a complaint about it because this is a fucking airport and you need to speak English. It's ridiculous not to. So again, fast track. I wonder if they will recognize me. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the terminal of the 4S. You have to go by train because this is the 4 is the Schengen one, but of course I'm flying to London, so not even on Schengen but also on EU. So that's another one. It's not really well written. Last time was a bit of a loss because you see just the gates here, and you kind of have to know where to go. I remember last time I had to ask some pilots because those are the only person you can be sure at this airport speak English, because really the level of English at this airport is pretty bad. Alright, now onto the train. I'll check my flight. London, closest to the gate. Still no gate info, but of course we don't want to go to the gate, we want to go to the lounge. And about today's flight, I actually wanted to fly economy, but then I was a bit tired, so I decided to upgrade as well. The upgrade for this flight, same as last flight, was 52 euros. And what you get with that one, you don't get an extra bags, but I had paid for them anyway because I'm bringing my girlfriend like some stuff from Madrid. But you get a fast track, you get a lounge access, and you get a proper business class seat. It's like fully flat bed, everybody has an aisle access. It's pretty amazing for 52 euros extra. You don't get extra miles. You still, like, your miles are still counted as you flying economy, so that kind of sucks. Otherwise I would get much more miles, but whatever. For 52 euros, experience of business class is definitely worth it, and I pretty much do it all the time. Velazquez Lounge. Let's go in. One food station over there. Some working station. There are like TVs, the boards everywhere.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Okay, so I'm gonna get some food and I'll see. Also, there is a bar, but because it's so early, it's not on. I drink a lot, but I wouldn't drink either. Maybe a little bit. No, let's have some food. Anyway, so I got some eggs, coffee, orange juice, and it's great view. Absolutely love it. Nah, this could be it. Okay, so my flight is boarding, gate 39. It's time to leave the lounge. It's a really beautiful lounge. It's a really nice one. Of course, there are of course like showers, food, really good. Bar. Gate 39, let's go. But plenty of time. It's really like nice here, but the Terminal 4 is really nice. Problem is that the service is a bit of lacking here, especially like I said, the language skills. I actually last time made a complaint and they actually really replied to that, because I had some issue at the fast track last time. They wanted my camera put away, but they were not able to even say it in English. Like, I got an answer that the security guy did not fully master English. It's like me saying I did not fully master Mandarin, because I know 2 words in Mandarin, but whatever. But they actually really kind of maybe try to do something with that. It would be really nice. Now let's go. Gate 39 should have separate boarding, of course. The business class passenger. Excuse me, business.
Ya están dentro, sí. Hola.
Wait. I don't know why, but go to get it is closed for some reason. I have to go with the economy one. I understand. I don't understand why they have a second one, but it's not on. Yes.
2A por aquí a la izquierda, por favor. Hola.
Okay. Take a look at the business class cabin. 7 seats. Okay, and I have the 2A. My seat.
Gracias.
So as you can see,
Welcome on board. To speed up boarding,
more
please place small
private.
bags under the seat in front of you and stow your cabin suitcases in the overhead compartments. Please take your seat as soon as possible and make sure that no luggage is blocking any emergency exits. Thank you.
Are you gonna eat those donuts?
Okay, so we got a covered hook. Decent sized tray table, for sure. and it can be moved like this, so you can get out even during the meal time. So that's good. Of course, you have a small table. Here the controller for the payment system, noise cancelling headphones, armrest, universal power outlet, so that's good. There's USB, place for the water, reading light.
Devices. Electronic devices may be used as long as they are in flight mode. For safety reasons, during the flight, the crew may ask you to switch them off and put them away at any time. During takeoff and landing, larger items, including laptops, should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments, and small items of luggage placed under the seat in front of you. All electronic
El enganche correspondiente. Para soltarlo, simplemente levanten la lengüeta del enganche.
Keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during the flight and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. To fasten the seatbelt, insert the tag into the buckle. To unfasten, simply lift up the flap on the buckle. This aircraft has 8 doors, all marked exit. In the unlikely event of having to use the evacuation slides, follow the lighted path. Leave all baggage behind and remove high-heeled shoes.
Este avión tiene 8 puertas de salida señalizadas con la palabra exit. En el caso de tener que usar las rampas de
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Yeah, and as you can see, table is nicely moved, so you can actually really get out during the meal time. It's not an issue, so that's pretty good. Change it to the back.
Heathrow, you're currently requested to the vehicle 2 minutes off. Thank you.
See, this one is a better light for the couple. So you can stick it down.
Gracias. Gracias, adiós. Espérate, Richie. Paso, paso.
Okay, so it was a pretty good flight. I love it. Definitely enjoyed it. Got even a little bit of sleep. I haven't slept much last night, so it was really good. So now let's go to the. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can check my other videos. On the way back, I'm gonna be flying the A330, so that's gonna be really cool. So see you in my next video.